Hello everyone, it's Keelz. So today we're making plantain chips. This video was done by my mom. She made this plantain chips. So let's get right into it. First, you want to get your unripe plantain. So you give this a nice rinse, then cut. It's a bit difficult to open because it's unripe. So just be careful while cutting this. So once you have your plantain sliced, you can just cut it with either a knife into like thin bits, just as seen in the video by my mom, or you could also use this grater or a cutter. So the cutter looks something like this, so you could just like slice it, and then you could use this grater and just go that way into the frying oil. So now we have our plantain cut into fine thin pieces. So if you're a fan of spice, you could use this pepper, chili pepper and salt, give it a quick mix, then put it in your plantain and give it a nice quick toss. Or if you want to do away with the spice, you can. You could just mix this with salt water solution. So just mix water and salt together, and then you could just like put your plantain in it, then drain a bit. But my mom is a fan of spice, Yoruba, so she mixed us with suya spice, pepper, and then salt. Now put onion into your frying oil, just give this a bit of flavor. So once this is hot, you can add in your plantain, the thinly sliced plantain. Turn from side to side from time, like just keep stirring it in. And you don't want your plantain to be too brown before you bring it out, so sometimes you have to lift out of the pan to see what it looks like. And when it's a bit yellow, which you'll see very soon, you could just remove the plantain and put it on a paper towel so that it can drain out the oil. You don't want to just like transfer the plantain with oil without putting it in the towel, because you don't want to oily soak the plantain. Once this is done, your plantain is ready. So you could store in a container or leave to cool down a bit and have as a snack, or just put it in a container like this and you could serve for your kids to take to school, or anytime you're trying to see a movie or you have visitors, you could just serve this plantain chips recipe is amazing. I loved it, I enjoyed it. The spice was actually not too much, so just do it how you want. Enjoy. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you.